welcome to my channel. Today I am here back with very important and interesting topic, that is antigen processing and its presentation. As we know that B cell can combine with antigens, whereas the recognition of foreign antigens by T cells requires its processing and presentation. For processing, the antigens are break down into peptides by the antigen presenting cells. These peptides then bind to MHC, forming MHC peptide complexes, and these complexes are then transported to the surface of the cell for recognition by the T cells. Further, antigens are of two types, endoantigens and exoantigens. Endoantigens, which live and replicate inside the host cell, involving the MHC class 1 molecules, where exoantigens comprises of those antigens which live and replicate outside the host cell, involving the class 2 molecules. So in this topic or in this lecture, we will take up only the class 1 molecules, that is endogenous antigens. So let's discuss in detail antigen processing and presentation. So as we know that recognition of foreign antigen by T cell requires its processing and presentation. First, the foreign antigens are degraded into peptides by antigen presenting cells. These peptides combine with MHC, forming MHC peptide complex. These complexes are then presented on the surface of antigen presenting cell for recognition by T cell. Further, antigens are of two types, intracellular or endoantigens. Those antigens which live and replicate inside the host cell, for example normal cellular proteins, tumor proteins, viral or bacterial proteins. This category involves MHC class 1 molecules. Second category comprises of extracellular or exoantigen, those antigens which live and replicate outside the host cell, for example bacteria, which is such as extracellular bacteria, toxins and parasites, involving class 2 molecules. So the process in which pathogens or their products that is which are the foreign antigens are degraded into peptides is called as antigen प्रोसेसिंग. तो इसे हम एंटीजन प्रोसेसिंग कहते हैं, जहाँ की क्या हो रहा है कि एंटीजन जो है ब्रेक डाउन हो रहा है इनटू पेप्टाइड्स. फर्दर, व्हेन these peptides combine with MHC to form MHC peptide complex and transported to be presented on surface of antigen presenting cell, then this process is called as antigen presentation, right? So this is antigen processing and antigen presentation. So now let's see antigen processing and presentation in case of intracellular or endoantigen comprises of MHC class 1 molecules. So you can see here, this is the structure of antigen presenting cell infected by a virus. Now let's discuss in detail. This is the structure of cell which is infected by a virus. Virus utilizes the machinery of the cell and forms the viral proteins, but these proteins are very large and cannot bind to MHC, so they are break down or degraded by proteasome. Proteasome, it is a multifunction protease complex. It is large, about 26S, cylindrical in shape, having 4 rings of protein subunits, and it has a central channel. बीच में channel है that is about 10 to 50 angstrom, and this proteasome cleaves the peptide bonds between 2 to 3 amino acid, and this whole process is ATP dependent process. Now protein, viral proteins जो हैं वो यहाँ से जाएंगी और इस channel के through, and these are by proteolytic activity break down into peptides which are about 8 to 15 amino acid long. ठीक है. Now from here these goes into the rough endoplasmic reticulum. This is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. यहाँ से कहाँ चली जाएंगी? into rough endoplasmic reticulum by the presence of a channel formed by proteins called as TAP proteins. So before we proceed further, let's see the structure of TAP proteins. So this is the structure of TAP protein. Here TAP protein comprises of membrane spanning heterodimer consisting of two proteins, that is TAP1 and TAP2. TAP1 and TAP2 have multiple transmembrane segment जो membrane के अंदर extend कर रहे हैं, but each having one hydrophobic domain. एक hydrophobic domain है that extends into the rough endoplasmic reticulum lumen. ये lumen तक extend कर रहा है, and another domain is called as ATP binding domain which extend into the cytosol. These TAP1 and TAP2 molecules help in the translocation of peptides into the lumen of the rough endoplasmic reticulum. But besides amino acid and peptides, sugar and ions can also be transported into the lumen of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now here you can see translocation of peptides or amino acid by TAP protein always need hydrolysis of ATP. तो जब भी translocation होगा ATP will be hydrolyzed. So it is a ATP dependent process. One more important thing is that these TAP have highest affinity for peptides which are about 18 to 15 amino acid long, और यही peptide की length है which is optimum for binding with MHC. Moreover, TAP molecules favors peptides which have hydrophobic or carboxyl terminal amino acid which prefer to anchor or bind with MHC class 1 molecules. तो TAP 18 to 15 अमाइनो एसिड की ट्रांसलोकेशन फेवर करता है, और ऐसे पेप्टाइड्स जिनमें टर्मिनल कार्बोक्सिल अमाइनो एसिड हैं और ये दोनों ही एफिनिटी शो करते हैं विद दैट ऑफ MHC class 1 molecules. So let's see the assembly and stabilization of MHC molecules, how they take place and how peptide binds to this complex. So this diagram shows assembly and stabilization of MHC class 1 molecules. Here you can see the alpha and beta 2 microglobin chains of MHC class 1 molecules are synthesized on polysomes in rough endoplasmic reticulum, but its stabilization requires a series of steps and participation of molecular chaperones. ये chaperones इसको stability provide करने में help कर रहे हैं और इसकी transportation में भी help कर रहे हैं. जो molecular chaperones हैं, these are further many types, that is calnexin, calreticulin and tepsin. So how they participate, let's see. This structure, it is the alpha chain of MHC class 1 molecule. It binds with that of calnexin which is a resident membrane protein. तो ये क्या कर रही है, इसको फोल्डिंग में हेल्प कर रही है. एज वी नो दैट जो अल्फा चेन है इसके 3 डोमेन्स है, अल्फा 1, अल्फा 2 एंड अल्फा 3. तो कैलनेक्सिन क्या करेगी, इसको फोल्डिंग में हेल्प करेगी एंड फॉर्म कैलनेक्सिन एसोसिएटेड विद अल्फा चेन कॉम्प्लेक्स. ये कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म हो गया, इट इज़ कंपैरेटिवली स्टेबल. जैसे ही ये कॉम्प्लेक्स बनेगा तो अल्फ़ा 2 जो बीटा 2 माइक्रोग्लोबिन चेन है दैट ज्वाइंस विद दैट ऑफ दिस कॉम्प्लेक्स। सो इस कॉम्प्लेक्स को ज्वाइन करेगी, इसके ज्वाइन करने की वजह से जो कैलनेक्सिन है इट लीव्स द कॉम्प्लेक्स, इस कॉम्प्लेक्स को कैलनेक्सिन ने लीव कर दिया एंड अनदर 2 चेप्रॉन्स दैट इज टेप्सिन एंड कैलरेटिकुलिन ज्वाइंस द कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्मिंग द कैलरेटिकुलिन टेप्सिन एसोसिएटेड क्लास 1 मॉलिक्यूल। अब ये क्या कर रहे हैं, ये जो कॉम्प्लेक्स है स्पेशली जो टेप्सिन चेप्रॉन है ये क्या कर रहा है, ये टैप ट्रांसपोर्टर्स हैं, एक तरह से ट्रांसपोर्टेशन जो MSC क्लास 1 है ये नियर बाय ले आएंगे टैप ट्रांसपोर्टर्स के, सो दैट इट कैन बाइंड विद दैट ऑफ द पेप्टाइड्स। नाउ दिस कॉम्प्लेक्स इज अगेन, जब यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट जो आएगा दैट इज पेप्टाइड, तो पेप्टाइड की बाइंडिंग की वजह से दिस whole complex become stable. MSC class 1 peptide complex becomes stable, releasing tepsin and calreticulin. तो यहाँ पे ये stable complex form हो गया that is MSC peptide complex which then exit from the rough endoplasmic reticulum. So after the assembly and stabilization of MSC molecules, class 1 molecule, these are transported by tap near the tap proteins where it binds with that of the peptide forming MHC peptide complex. Now this complex exit from rough endoplasmic reticulum and goes to the Golgi complex. From here a secretory vesicle is pinched off which is then goes to the surface of the cell and presented on the surface of the cell which is then recognized by the T cell. T cell जो है इसको रिकोगनाइज कर रहा है एंड एज वेल एज CD8 को रिसेप्टर ऑल्सो बाइंड्स विद अल्फा 3 डोमेन ऑफ MSC class 1 complex. So in this diagram it is clear that how viral proteins are break down into peptides, how they bind with MSC complex and then presented to the T cell for recognition. So this is all about antigen processing and presentation, and I hope I have cleared all the doubts regarding this topic. So if you like my video, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.